After you've logged in, the first thing we need to do is connect our Amazon account. So click on Connect to Amazon, and you're going to log in with your Amazon developer account. Okay, now we're connected. Let's go over to Flash Briefing Setup. Now we're going to create a Flash Briefing. Select Language, give it a name, and this will be the name that cannot be changed and will show in the skill store. Short description. The best practice right now is to make sure your short description is also in your long description. Amazon has not been approving people otherwise, so you can just copy and paste your short description and make that the first sentence of your long description and add whatever else you want to. Next, choose category. We're just going to choose calculators for this one. And keywords. So the way the keywords works, you get up to 30 keywords, but if you have a keyword that's 2 words like Myrtle Beach, it's best practice to put a dash between the words so that Amazon only sees that as 1 word. So just get rid of the space, put a dash, and now that's 1 keyword, and you will show up for that when searched in the Alexa store. Next, choose which feed. We only have a primary feed when you first set up an account. Choose audio as content type. Choose a genre. For this, we're just going to choose humor, even though it's not funny. Go ahead and choose a small and large icon. The icon size for small is 108 and for large is 512 by 512. After you selected your icon, let's go ahead and set up our content update frequency. So hourly expires after 1 hour, daily expires after 24 hours, and weekly expires after 7 days. If you have it set up for weekly, you can always upload daily and it will just replace the file from the day before. Otherwise, the audio will play for a week. Enter a custom error message in case the audio file is corrupted or something crazy happens with the server. It'll just tell them that you'll be back or doing some tests. The preamble is how Alexa is going to introduce the show. You need to start with a from or in, so in local news or from your local realtor is how you would set up the preamble. You must make these next few selections. We cannot sell through Flash Briefings yet, so go ahead and select no. This particular skill is not targeting kids, so we are also going to select no here. We are not collecting personal information. Flash Briefings can't do that, so select no. Also, even though we mention our brand, we're not actually advertising, so we're going to select no here as well. You need to check the box here to certify that Alexa may be imported and played in other places, so make sure you check this box underneath here. And then also make sure this is available worldwide. Privacy policy terms are optional. You can put those in or use ours here. And then once you're finished inputting those, just select the tab here to send it to us so that we can take a look and hit save, and we will submit it to Amazon for you. And that's it. So that's the only time you're going to have to do that. But in order to get Amazon approval, you need to go ahead and create or upload your first episode. So head on over to the Upload tab over here on the left, and let's create our first Flash Briefing episode.